Wait, stay with me for a second. This little marshmallow here helped reveal something surprising about human nature. And it wasn't just about self control. For years, one of psychology's most famous experiments suggested that children who waited for a second marshmallow often had better outcomes later in life. Many people took it as a lesson about willpower or delaying gratification. But over time, researchers began asking a different question. What if the real test wasn't simply whether a child could wait? What if it was whether they believed the second marshmallow was actually coming? Imagine you're a child. An adult tells you, wait a few minutes and I'll come back with another marshmallow. If you learn that adults usually keep their promises, waiting feels worth it. But if you've grown up in a world where promises often aren't kept or where life feels unpredictable, eating the marshmallow now might actually be the more reasonable choice. Researchers even found that children are much more likely to wait when an adult has first shown themselves to be reliable. So while self-control still matters, it may be only one part of the story. Our decisions can also reflect trust, predictability, and what we learn to expect from the world. And I think there's something really human about that. Sometimes we look at someone's behavior and we assume they're lazy or impulsive or simply lacking discipline. But behavior often makes more sense when we understand the story behind it. So maybe before judging someone or even yourself, we can become a little bit more curious. Because sometimes what looks like a lack of willpower may also reflect a life that's taught someone to not count on tomorrow. Maybe behavior tells us less about who someone is and more about what they've learned to expect from the world. Sometimes the hardest part isn't waiting, it's trusting tomorrow.